The Garden House 10 by 12 gazebo was sold at Home Depot. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number 5LGZ2011-502BNN. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 12 and is two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are round column style frame posts with a raised base. Original canopy is two-toned in color with scalloped edges. Please do not confuse this gazebo with the Mediterra gazebo. The Mediterra gazebo has finial ornaments located at the top of each corner of the frame. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Garden House gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.